Hi, Mr. Isley here. I'd like to introduce you to a tool we're going to use called Classkick. In this video, I'll show you how to access an assignment on Classkick, navigate through the different parts, and use the tools to add your answers and work, as well as ask for help from your instructor or your peers. Let's get started by showing you how to access a Classkick assignment. You can access Classkick on either a desktop or laptop computer with a web browser. Chrome is the recommended browser for maximum compatibility, or via the Classkick app for Android or iOS. For purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to be using a laptop, but for some of the tools, using a touchscreen and stylus may make things easier. So here in Chrome, I could either be given a URL that I can put directly in my Chrome browser, or I can simply go to app.classkick.com and enter the class code that will be provided by the instructor. For this example, here is my class code. Next, I'll be asked for my name, so I'll make up a name. Kenny Do It. Once the assignment loads, I see the first slide, and my navigation tools are these little arrows found here. You can also see a toolbar with your various tools, including a hand icon that you can use to ask for help. This assignment is the canned first assignment, so it's obviously not chemistry related, but it will still show you the essentials of how to work with the app. So if we go to the next slide, you can see it's asking us to write our name in green by adding a new text box. I can click on the T in the toolbar and then draw a box. You'll see that some new toolbar options show up. So I'm going to click on the T with the little rectangle underneath it and pick a green color. Then I'll type my name in. If I wanted to change the background of my text box, I can do this with the paint can icon, or change the text box border by using the icon next to the paint can. I can change the font size as well. If I want to delete my work, I can use either one of the trash can icons. Now that I'm done here, I'll go to the next screen. To use the drawing tool, select either the pen or highlighter tools from the toolbar. I'll spare you my artistic talents, so I'll just draw a smiley face. If you make a mistake, you can simply use the eraser tool. I can add an audio response by clicking on the microphone icon. My name is Kenny Do It. I am from Mr. Isley's mind, and what I love most about school is learning about chemistry and technology. On the next slide, notice the content doesn't all seem to fit, so I can scroll down as needed, and then it asks for a red pen circle. So I'll pick the pen tool, and then use the pen with the rectangle beneath it to change the color to red. For me, I'd like to visit Rome, so I'll circle Italy. Next, if I needed help, I would click the hand raise button. You have a couple of options, and you can receive assistance from either a peer or your instructor. Going to the next slide, some questions will allow you to manipulate and move things to arrange or order them. To grab an object, use the selector tool that looks like a cursor arrow, and then click and drag the images to their desired locations. This is in no particular order, by the way. If you want to jump to a different question, use the arrows or the drop down to move quickly to a specific question. From the teacher side, I can see your work in real time and provide you feedback or assistance if we're accessing the assignment at the same time. So whether we are working together in the classroom or in a remote learning setup, I think this tool will help us tremendously in terms of allowing you to demonstrate your mastery and understanding in a variety of ways, as well as getting you meaningful feedback more efficiently. Thanks for joining me today for this introduction to Classkick. Have a great day.